Yes. Like the usual issues. Like the usual. We have continued this trend. This is the fifth term basically. The same trend basically is continuing.
So you're willing as unopposed?
No, why is the question unopposed? We want to fight. We want opposition. Basically. See, when there is opposition, at least we know. Suppose some mistakes we are doing, at least we can pick up from those mistakes. And I believe the biggest room in your house is a room for improvement. So I'm improving. I'm not telling you I'm perfect. We are improving.
So 6 of them just Sojanang resolved the
as per the election process, that is a thing what is to happen. Reserve
How confident of you will be comfortably winning this time also?
Sorry?
This time you will be comfortably winning the panchayat?
I don't think I have any problem whatsoever. Because the people are with me. That is most important. It is not that I am saying that I am winning. People are getting our people elected. So that is important. How people got us elected. The same way people will get them elected. It is ultimately what is the people's choice.
What are the issues of panchayat that should be done?
There is never an end to the issue. There are so many issues. Our main important issue is the market issue, which is still pending. But we hopefully we will complete it within a year's time. That's one thing which is pending.
Sir, how you will take people as a confidence for you?
See, it is in the see how I will. Sorry, I didn't get you. What you said?
How you will take the people into your confidence?
I have confidence in the people. That people have got confidence in me. And that's the way. So that's how they show you when voting takes place.
Madam, what do you have to say regarding your Talegaon Panchayat elections?
Like Babu said, I don't think we should have a problem. Apart from people having faith in us and we delivering work, we also have a very good team of bunch members. A few have been repeated this year, but I'm sure the new ones also will be on par with the ones who have already been there. So I think my bunch members who are there are on call 24/7. They don't say no to anyone at any time. So their people are free to call them at any time for delivery of services or whatever they need. So I have faith in the people and in all my punch members. They have done an excellent job, and I think they will continue to do so.
So still now the opposition, no opponents are there still for you. So how?
I'm not aware of that. I'm not aware of what is happening with the opposition. We are just concentrating on our work.
See, we want opposition basically to come forward. Talking behind the back is useless. You must come forward and basically contest elections. Then only see it is the power of people. I have been hearing some news reports sometime back. Someone gave some statement that there is some fear in Talegaon and all those things. Something is being going on. Now, first and foremost, I don't. There's no booth rigging here. That I take the booth and run away at home, and then I'll get our people basically elected. See, it is ultimately the people who get you elected. See, voting is one thing. Now, say this lady is there. She comes and tells me I'm going to vote for you. It is God knows, and she knows whom she'll vote at last. So if you go to see, there will be if there are 20,000 people, 20,000 people will say that we support you. But when election comes, maybe 12,000 votes you get. Those people may be voting somewhere else. So it is nothing like that. See, it is a democracy. So I believe an election is the process, basically how this democracy stays alive.
So you still welcome the opposition?
No. I am just saying we need. If someone has really got some issues, they definitely should come to the to contest elections and come to the people. No? Now let people basically judge. No, people should judge whether we are doing work or we are not doing work. We are good to people or we are bad to people. That people will judge. And election is the best. What are the processes is there? Election is the best process, where basically you can say that the majority wins ultimately.
So this will 6th time you are going to sweep the panel.
See, everything is the people. The people should vote. People vote, and everything should be okay. And I have got confidence in the people of Talegaon.
दत्तप्रसाद तुमचे चार्ज केला की तुम्ही वॉर्ड बी चेंज करता ताका लागून डिफिकल्ट वयता म्हणटा तो यू आर द वन
वॉर्ड चेंज करून हांव कोण इलेक्शन कमिशन आनी वॉर्ड चेंज करपाक कितें डिफरन्स कितें जाता वॉट एवर डिफरन्स वॉर्ड चेंज केलेले आसतले तेणी ह्या 5-10 वर्सांनी ते केन्ना पावरार आसतले power and army kind, we never misuse power. Let anyone say, in my conscience, I can tell you here, that for the past, from 2002, I have been contesting. I have been having so many oppositions also. Let one opposition say that I have been harassed by Babuji. One fellow. Get me only one. Forget it, two fellows also, I'm not. One fellow. Because I always believe election is what is the election is everyone has got basically right to choose his candidate. And election is a thing that now you feel you are contesting or you are supporting someone else. You feel that your fellow will win. Ultimately, if he doesn't win, so ultimately you are elected by the people for the development of the full place and of the people. So you cannot basically judge by this fellow is better. And I don't basically my ears are not that big where anyone can come and tell me this fellow. Let anyone also tell you other thing that I distinguished anyone in this past 25 years, saying that you are not you are not from my party. You supported that fellow. You supported this fellow. I never do that. That's never a part of it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ma'am. 28th is Panchayat election of Talegaon.
Yeah.
So, how many ward members you can come?
So we have 11. We
Yeah.
have 11 wards. Yeah, so obviously 11 ward members. And we have a good mix of women and men this time.
So, about madam, the new
I don't know,
candidate.
I have full faith that we will sweep the elections like we've done always.
Yeah.
And I say this in confidence not because, I would say it is because of my punch members and because of the people of Talegaon. So I don't think you all are aware of how our punch members work, but they are on call any 24/7, whatever the issue may be, like I mentioned earlier. So I have faith that because of the work that they have done in their previous term, okay, the ones who are the same members who are contesting again, they are going to win. All the new ones will win too, and I think they will emulate the bunch members who've been there before.
How many people are new nomination this time in your panel?
I think 6 or 7. 7 new. 7 new.
खंयची कामां तुम्ही प्रायोरिटी बेजाचेर करतले आफ्टर इलेक्शन
Sorry?
खंयची कामां तुम्ही प्रायोरिटी बेजाचेर करतले
Which work?
इश्यूज
Priority work. See,
Yeah.
it's always work happening. So I would not like to prioritize any work. But as in how the work comes, we will get it down. So I think there are a few issues which is not panchayat related but government related, as in water, which is still an issue in some areas. So I think that is one thing we'll resolve on my level. And I think where panchayat works are concerned, there's always drainage work, then maintaining the gardens, door-to-door garbage collection, which is going on quite well, but we want to improve it even better. So those are what issues which panchayat will take up. The cleanliness of the village also.
Okay, one more issue is that farmers, they are facing a lot of problem, like they don't have market to sell their fruits also.
No, I don't think that is a problem because if you pass by during the morning or in the evening, you'll see all the local vendors who are there sitting on the road and selling their vegetables. So that is not an issue. Selling vegetables is not an issue at all. Because we have not curbed
market.
anyone, so they can bring it straight from the field and sell it on the road, which is what they do.
Ma'am, any new market is coming for a Talegaon?
Yes, this is
pipeline?
what we had planned during our last manifesto.
Yeah.
It was an assembly manifesto, but there were some issues with the land and all that. So that is where it is slowed down, but it will happen as soon as that is cleared.
And
also road issues the panchayat levels also
No. So this road issue was because of the sewerage work that was getting done. But now, on request with CM, most of the roads have been done. It's been reinstated.
there will be no future problems in the road issues.
No, I don't think there should be. It is reinstated now, but a few roads, hot mixing is there, which I'm sure will get done after the vote.
And most of the ward has reserved for women. Now, how you look at it?
Yeah, I think it's a very good thing. Because as you see, women are very good at multitasking. I think they're more hardworking also. So I think it's very good. More women are coming into the...
Yeah, and all our freshers are what?
All are?
All are
Fresh face, yes.
All
Only one, Helen, who was there before, she is back. But the other women are all, few of them are new.
okay. Even Kamrabat candidate also have been changed now this time.
Yes, so now Agnel is representing Tamrabat.
Okay. Ward number 2, I guess. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.